Welcome to Flip It Furniture. My name is Amy, and today I want to show you how I transformed this old nightstand into this new nightstand. So let's flip it. The first thing I do is remove all the hardware. Now I thoroughly clean my piece using Crud Cutter. Crud Cutter says it's a no residue formula, which is fine, but I still wipe mine down with water and a rag afterwards, just to be on the safe side. I use my Dixiebell Vos Primer. I love this primer, it's my absolute favorite. I always do 2 coats, and this one I had to mix really good because it goes on clear, but sediment stays at the bottom. So if you don't mix it, it's not gonna do its job. I use this for the stain blocking, the odor blocking, and it helps with bleed through. I don't think bleed through is a problem with this piece, but I definitely wanted to cover odors because I don't know, it smells kind of old. With this primer, I wait only about 30 minutes between coats. Now I'm going to apply my first coat of paint using Dixie Belle's Mud Puddle. This is going to be my base coat. And here I apply my second coat of Mud Puddle. My base coat is completely dry, so now I'm going to use Sawmill Gravy and I'm going to do a wash on the entire piece. I use about a 1:3 ratio of paint and water. For the wash, we just apply it and wipe it off. Here's where I start dry brushing. I'm going to alternate 2 colors. My first color is going to be Drop Cloth by Dixie Belle. When dry brushing, you just use a light hand and feather it on, back and forth. When dry brushing, I love to color the corners and the details especially, just for that extra pop of color. Now I'm using my second color, it's Gravel Road. I'm dry brushing using a really light hand because I just want to give it some depth. The best part of dry brushing with two colors is if you're ever heavy-handed somewhere or you don't like the way you shaded it, you can always go in with the other color and go on top. That's what I'm doing here. I'm going back and forth with Drop Cloth and Gravel Road. This is sort of like the finishing touches. It's kind of blending a little bit. I use steel wool soap pads to clean my hardware. When my hardware is dry, I use oil brush bronze from Rust-Oleum spray paint and spray them down. Then I seal them with a clear gloss from Rust-Oleum.